Dolphin. Dolphin. This is a dolphin. Dolphins love to swim and splash. Octopus. Octopus. Here's an octopus. It has 8 wiggly arms. Clownfish. Clownfish. This is a clownfish. It hides in sea anemones. Shark. Shark. Say hi to the shark. It has lots of sharp teeth. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. Look, a sea turtle. It swims slowly and gracefully. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. A jellyfish. It floats and glows in the water. Crab. Crab. This is a crab. It walks sideways with its claws. Starfish. Starfish. Here's a starfish. It has 5 arms and no bones. Seahorse. Seahorse. A tiny seahorse. Did you know dads carry the babies? Stingray. Stingray. This is a stingray. It glides like a kite underwater. Lobster. Lobster. Meet the lobster. It has big, strong claws. Whale. Whale. Wow, a giant whale! It's the biggest animal on Earth. Blue tang. Blue tang. A blue tang. It's bright and beautiful. Parrotfish. Parrotfish. Meet the parrotfish. Its mouth looks like a beak. Walrus. Walrus. This is a walrus. Look at those long tusks. Manatee. Manatee. Meet the manatee. It's big, gentle, and loves plants. Anglerfish. Anglerfish. This is an anglerfish. It has an antenna on its head to attract food. Pufferfish. Pufferfish. A pufferfish. It can puff up like a balloon. Sea urchin. Sea urchin. This is a sea urchin. It's round and spiky. Moray eel. Moray eel. A moray eel. It hides in rocks and peeks out. Beluga whale. Beluga whale. This is a beluga whale. It sings underwater. Sea lion. Sea lion. A sea lion. It claps and swims very fast. Orca. Orca. Say hello to the orca or killer whale. So strong. Swordfish. Swordfish. Look, a swordfish. It has a long, pointy nose. Grouper. Grouper. This is a grouper. It lives near the bottom of the ocean and likes to hide in rocks and coral. Tuna. Tuna. This is a tuna. It swims super fast. Goby. Goby. Meet the goby fish. It's tiny, but it never stops moving. Sea otter. Sea otter. A sea otter. It floats on its back and plays. Squid. Squid. A squid. It can squirt ink and zoom away. Scallop. Scallop. This is a scallop. It can clap its shell. Manta ray. Manta ray. A manta ray. It looks like it's flying in the water. Shrimp. Shrimp. This is a shrimp. Can you count its legs? Penguin. Penguin. Penguins are birds that swim, not fly. They waddle on land and dive fast in water. Sea anemone. Sea anemone. Sea anemones look like flowers. They don't move, but clownfish love to hide inside them. Triggerfish. Triggerfish. Triggerfish are strong and colorful. They love to nibble on hard shells. Lionfish. Lionfish. This is a lionfish. It moves slowly through the water with its fancy fins. Horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crab. This is a horseshoe crab. Its shell looks like a little helmet. Sea cucumber. Sea cucumber. This is a sea cucumber. Doesn't it look funny? Yellow tang. Yellow tang. This is a yellow tang. It's a bright yellow fish that swims near coral. Mantis shrimp. Mantis shrimp. This is a mantis shrimp. It has big eyes and shiny colors. Angelfish. Angelfish. This is an angelfish. Can you see its colorful stripes? Jackknife fish. Jackknife fish. This is a jackknife fish. It has a long fin that stands up like a feather. Barracudas. Barracudas. This is a barracuda. Its body shines like metal as it glides through the water. Sea fan. Sea fan. Sea fans are soft corals. They look like beautiful underwater fans. Seal. Seal. Seals have flippers instead of feet. They love to rest on rocks and beaches. Butterfly fish. Butterfly fish. Butterfly fish are small, flat, and colorful. It swims near coral reefs and loves warm ocean water. Nudibranch. Nudibranch. A nudibranch. It's a tiny sea slug with fancy colors. Flounder. Flounder. Flounders are flat fish. They lie on the ocean floor and both eyes are on one side. Salmon. Salmon. Salmon live in the ocean but swim up rivers to lay eggs. They are strong swimmers and jump high. Cardinal fish. Cardinal fish. Cardinal fish are small and shiny. They hide in coral and have big, bright eyes.
Bye-bye, friends! See you in the next adventure!